Mayor mapantamat iti sa baling nga topic. Kumusta mo tata iti preparation tayo ti undas gamin no bigatan iti November 1. Kumusta mo tan iti preparation tayo Mayor mano iti mai-deploy nga kapulisan tayo iti kadagiti sementeryo tayo. Ken mano gayo Mayor iti sementeryo tayo dita?
Okay. Actually we for Bontoc, the main cemetery tayo, it's Bontoc Cemetery. It's located in Kalutit, Bontoc. Dadamutan actually it's not the hanlang nga kapulisan anya. We have a coordination meeting already just this yesterday and today. We have a coordination meeting with all the volunteers and of course the kapulisan, BFP, BGMP is even helping. Ditoy damot na gitoy ada teams kami na niya per team. So medyo aduda even our barangay officials na-mobilize na to help in the undas and to ensure the safety of our dagitoy mapan magdalos. May salang ti main do dadapay lang kami dagitoy barangays tayo at dati small areas da nga kaslang may kabilan da but for the main cemetery is located in Kalutit, Bontoc Mountain Province. Okay man. Adadan ti teams nga na-i-deploy. Medyo I think ti pinag-usapan na kat 8 teams, 8 for each team, but there are many teams that are helping. We have in fact including we have volunteers, barangay officials, national agencies are there. Nakita mo nga adamot lang ti team ti highways natayo mo pati tourism office to pay kat we included them to be present because ado dati agdamag no ayan na ti mapananda we also have of course the uniform personnel are always there. Medics are there in case of there's a need because medyo marami-rami na ring sasakyan nagado tao dito yun ang nga dita Trinidad kitakot I was looking at the Facebook page medyo traffic dito ayan nyo pati dito medyo kunak ni may nagadot lugan dito ayan to yun problema ti parking kung kunak tayo so may teams po tayo maraming areas po na deploy not only sa main town but we also deployed on the national highways going dagitoy areas nga expectaran mi nga dagay crossroads coming inside Bontoc Mountain Province, of course going to Sagada also which is a tourist spot here in Mountain Province. Itakmot kat ada na i-deploy amin nga teams dito to assist our motorists and dagitoy bakasyonista at the same time dagitoy kailian tayong agawid dito Bontoc. I don't have the number official number but kunada nga at least 8 per team ti arami din da parang for each team 8 but no bilangak mga adati no agbilangak mga around no 5 crossroads ti Bontoc no adati 5 or 6 so if there are 6 teams created mga 48 people are working at